so I'm on the way to the third floor. Check out Sikap Coffee's pop-up event. Mali, dito pala. So we're on the way to Sikap Coffee's pop-up event. Galing akyatan to, guys. Hi! Hello! My God!
Grabe, medyo wild yung kanina.
Bakit?
Kasi diner dash realness.
Trina and Stephen are actually my classmates in one of the coffee workshops that I've attended from Arcana Coffee Workshops. So Trina owns Trina's Home Brews and Stephen owns Sikap Coffee. Sikap Coffee has been a mainstay here at Urban Chicks Coffee in Maginhawa, Quezon City. Has been doing a lot of these pop-up coffee events here with his motorcycle, and today he's actually having a collab with Trina. So I came over to say hi and of course to support them, and I got their bestsellers, which is Cocoa Milk Latte and Sea Salt Caramel Latte. Meron pa doon, no?
Oh my God! Wait lang. Flash na uli.
Oo nga.
Nakakain eh. Right, grabe. Matutuwa si Jordan.
First pop-up niyo ba ito?
Na,
Together?
First niya. Ay, first ko.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi palagi ako dito.
Oo nga. Galing.
Kaya lang ako.
Kaya. So bakit mo ginaganyan, Trina?
Pang-distribute para matanggal yung clump.
Oh.
Para even.
Uy, galing mo sumugod pang vlog mo.
Wag man, wag. Oh shit, sorry. Pang-distribute yung clumps.
Kita nyo naman, whenever Trina is around, super bungis-ngis lang. It's all fun. Go, Trina! And, of course, today's coffee features Crescendo coffee. That's Tangerine 27. Favorite yan ni Stephen. He's been recommending that to me. Kaya lang wala akong espresso machine. So, I've tried other Crescendo beans. I actually ordered one recently, and I will be reviewing that soon here on my channel. But anyways, back to the event. Kita nyo naman, we have a lot of space for social distancing. Everybody's still wearing their masks, their face shields, if tapos na uminom ng coffee. And here's my cup. Kitang-kita nyo, busy si Stephen and Trina. You know, Trina makes it very, very light and fun dahil sa nakakahawa niyang laugh. And we have a very special guest. Traces and Trails owner, Aaron, is also here. I also got a bag of beans from him recently. So watch out for my review on that as well here on my channel.
Actually, may release ako, hindi ko alam kung Monday. Ano ba ito? Grabe naman.
I'm also with Sir Aaron, the Traces and Trails.
Hi!
Andito rin siya sa event nila Stephen here at Urban Chic.
Oh, picture mo naman yung latte art ko dyan.
Oh, wow! Ang galing! Wow!
Hey, Gio.
Galing! So that's my sea salt coffee. Galing. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. And And I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to follow Trina's Home Brews and Sikap Coffee, and watch out for their next pop-up event. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!